Hey, chocolate face. Hey, chocolate face. Do you like Kit Kats?
What is that?
Do you like Kit Kats?
Oh, okay.
Let me see your hands. Let me see them hands. You're putting it all over the place, huh? Is that yummy? Huh? Is that yummy?
I'm more convinced than ever that anywhere you go in the world you're going to find something weird to eat. But weird is a subjective word. I know that one man's downfall is another man's delight. So bearing that in mind, here are some of my favorite scenes from season 1 of Bizarre Foods.
Let me see your hand. Let me see that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I was thrilled to spend the day with veteran octopus fisherman Francisco Rios Ramirez.
I see, baby. I see it.